So I think this is gonna be the final saga. As I said, as I mentioned, I was watching Star Wars, and I watched the Dune tutorial. Oh my god! What am I saying? I'll be like, what is this? Let me speak to you. Let me talk to you while I'm writing. I mean, what is the Dune trailer? It was so dope. It was so dope. If you watched it, you will agree with me. By the way, some of you can even see where we're going right now. Like, if you remember what we were proving, because I've erased it from my previous tutorial. I got my notes. I still remember what we were proving. I hope you still remember. If not, pause this video. Go back to the. I think it's just. I think it's the fourth one. Well, just proving this was pretty lengthy. I think it's the fourth one or sixth one. I don't remember. It depends on how I'm gonna trim them and upload them. But when you get to them, you know, this is what you should do. You should pause and check on you what we were proving, cause I forgot. I'm kidding. I did. As I said, I have my notes, and I know you forgot. Like for sure, you like what we were proving. Like you just put this on autoplay on YouTube. So I don't know. Maybe because you're just supporting me, because you like me, or maybe some of you, I don't know, you know me personally. Well, I don't know if you got personal interest with me, but nope, I don't have any personal interest with you guys. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But yeah, on a real, nope. Even as my sexuality and things, I'm asexual. Yep. Yeah, I'm asexual. I know some of you wanna ask, oh yeah, what's your sexuality? I'm male. What do you want to say? I'm a male. So yeah, guys, I've been teaching you how to transpose. So this time around, we're just using the word transpose. You know what do I mean by transposing? Adding both sides. So right now, we're just taking this one to the other side, or any side. I just want to take it to the other side. Yep. Uh, if this goes to this, no, if this one goes to this side, it's gonna be negative. So let's just do this. Negative, negative. Yep. Because it's gonna be negative. If it goes to that side. For those of you who didn't watch this from the beginning, well, you're gonna have a rough time. And then we're dividing both of this to -2 and -2. Yep, and then it's equals to. Therefore, this is equals to this. I should have shown you this step. Let me check the time. Let me check the time. I'll show you the step when I'm done. For those of you who don't understand, therefore is equals to cos. Matter of fact, I won't even show you. That's basic. It's basic. It's equals to cos a equals to this one. What was I talking about? Oh, I was talking about if you have personal interest in me. I said I'm asexual. You know, as I said, I'm a boy. I know of some of you. You know, I just want to have a connection with me. Thinking maybe, oh no, we're gonna seduce him. Really, I am asexual. You know, I suffered abuse when I was young. So I'm not joking. I'm not joking. This is me being real. It's just that it makes me relieved to just talk about it. So yeah, I suffered abuse when I was young. So yeah, I'm pretty much asexual. I don't. Yeah, I don't have. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe one day, cause yeah, I think one. Day, I think nowadays I'm getting more comfortable with myself. Maybe one day I won't be asexual. But yo, guys, this is what we were proving. Boom, we've proven it. We've proven it. What am I trying to say? We've proved it from the very first beginning of tutorial. This is what we wanted to prove. So we've proved this thing. So voila, ba ba ba. We've done with it. We're done with this thing. We've done with the proving part. Next tutorials will be dealing with advanced questions, because I know they got the setup marks, which is for you guys to prove this. So I've done it for you guys. It's free, and guys, yes, and yep, Bye bye. I don't know what to say. Bye. Bye.